Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So the previous coupon I shared with you for Envato Elements discount expired, and because of this I creating this video to renew the coupon and to share with you a new link which will automatically apply the discount coupon with the subscription for the first month of the subscription. So the link will be found in this video's description, so go ahead guys, click it and let me go through with you how you can apply the subscription. So after you go and click the link, you will be redirected to this page. So this is the sign up page for Envato Elements. If you don't have an account, you can create a new one here. So enter your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and check the CAPTCHA. And then hit continue and create an account. Afterwards, you will be redirected to this checkout page. And here you will be able to see that you will get a massive discount for your first month subscription for Envato Elements. So it's only €8 or $9. So if your default currency is in dollars, you will see here $9 instead of 49, I guess, in dollars and 29 in euros. So this is a massive discount for your monthly subscription, but keep in mind this will be only for the first month. Okay, so after you complete your order here, you will be able to get access to all the items from the Envato Elements, and only for $9 for the first month. So go ahead guys, click the link from this video's description and you will be able to sign up for very cheap to Envato Elements. So yeah, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.